Hi everyone, and thanks for joining. Today I'm going to walk you through this Fawn box available on HTB platform. This is the second box from the Starting Point Tier 0 series of machines. And if you're not familiar with Starting Point concept and connecting to HTB network with your own machine, one of my previous videos for Meow Box goes over starting point concept in a bit more detail, so check that introduction out. I'm already connected to HTB network and I'll proceed with the walkthrough's hands-on part and associated tasks questions towards the end of the video. Let's spawn the target machine now and give it 2-3 minutes to see its IP address. Now we have target's machine IP address shown, and let's add that each of these starting point boxes have associated tags with them. This one, for example, has FTP, protocols, reconnaissance, anonymous, guest access. So we have some idea what to expect, we'll see and learn from this box. Let's proceed to our terminal and type out the first command. We see the box is responsive, and let's note that the walkthrough instructs to use ping, though keep in mind that not every box is responsive to ICMP protocol. And let's run nmap. We have one open port reporting back for service FTP, and its default port 21. And let's run nmap once again with this switch-sv added, and you can save this nmap cheat sheet for a quick nmap switches reminder. And now we have reported back similar information, but a bit more detail, including service version and service info OS. So we see here service FTP and default port 21. And for a quick reminder of services and associated default ports, you can refer to this Wikipedia page. For example, let's search for FTP, or let's scroll to well-known ports, then 21. You see 20, 21, frequently associated with FTP by default, and let's see 22. Walkthrough mentions also SFTP. And for FTPS, let's search for FTPS. You'll frequently see numbers 989 and 990. Let's go back to our terminal. To be able to interact with the FTP service on this machine, we should have installed FTP command line tool. Let's verify if we have it already installed. We have. So I'll skip this command and proceed from here. And run FTP -? to see what the service is capable of. And let's proceed to connect to the FTP service of this target machine and use anonymous account to access. So our name in this case would be anonymous. For the password, I'll just click on enter and we're in. And we see for FTP login successful, the code is 230. Let's type help to see what commands can we run from here. We see ls is available. And let's proceed to list current directory. We have flag.txt here, and let's transfer it to our machine with get command. And let's exit from FTP service with bye. Let's confirm the flag.txt is downloaded. Great. And to be able to answer task question, you'll run get flag.txt. I'll just show number of flags characters with wc-m command. That's for number of characters and flag. Let's switch to Hack the Box UI now to answer task's question. Task 1, what does the 3-letter acronym FTP stand for? That would be File Transfer Protocol. Task number 2, which port does the FTP service listen on usually? This is the only open port from our target machine. Task number 3, FTP sends data in the clear without any encryption. What acronym is used for a later protocol designed to provide similar functionality to FTP, but securely as an extension of the SSH protocol? The walkthrough provides more detail on this. Task 4 question, what is the command we can use to send an ICMP echo request to test our connection to the target? We used ping. From our scans, what version is FTP running on the target? So that's the output from the nmap-sv command and service version column. Task 6. From your scans, what OS type is running on the target? We saw that in the output of the same command as above. Task 7, what is the command we need to run in order to display the FTP client help menu? That's the command we ran. Task 8, what is username that is used over FTP when you want to log in without having an account? That would be anonymous, and any password will serve with this username. Task 9, what is the response code we get for the FTP message login successful? So for FTP successful, we saw in our terminal 230. Task 10, there are a couple of commands we can use to list the files and directories available on the FTP server. One is dir, And what is the other? That is a common way to list files on a Linux system. That's the command we ran. Task 11, what is the command used to download the file we found on the FTP server? We also ran this one. And we'll submit root flag here. So that would be characters when cutting out the flag.txt file. And with this, we completed the box and we can stop the target instance now. And that's all for this video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this one. Until next video, bye for now.